Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your kitchen cabinets with KraftMaid, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current kitchen cabinets. Measure the dimensions of your cabinets carefully. Choose a color and finish that matches your kitchen design. Visit the KraftMaid website for inspiration and options. Select the type of cabinet upgrade you want, refacing, replacing doors, or full replacement. If refacing, order new doors and drawer fronts that fit your existing frames. For complete replacement, choose new cabinet boxes along with doors. Prepare your kitchen by clearing out the cabinets and removing any hardware. Ensure the workspace is clean and organized. Begin removing old cabinet doors and drawers. Use a screwdriver to take off the hinges and handles. For refacing, clean the cabinet frames to ensure proper adhesion. Apply adhesive to the back of the new laminate or veneer. Firmly press the new material onto the cabinet frames. Allow the adhesive to cure according to the manufacturer's instructions. If replacing doors, install the new hardware before attaching doors. Align new doors with the cabinet frames. Secure the doors using screws, ensuring they are level and evenly spaced. Install the new drawers, checking for smooth operation. Once all components are in place, adjust hinges and drawer slides as needed. Finish the installation by adding decorative hardware, like knobs and pulls. Clean up any leftover materials and tools. Step back and admire your upgraded kitchen cabinets. Evaluate any additional changes you may want to make for a cohesive look. Finalize your kitchen by adding personal touches and decor. Enjoy your refreshed kitchen space with your new KraftMaid cabinets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.